Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can delete the survey at SurveyMonkey.com. First of all, obviously you have to have some surveys already made if you want to delete them. So in my case I have this one draft, but it doesn't have to be only a draft, it can be still an open tutorial. So we can either go to these three dots in this draft and click delete, which is always the last option. This is step number 2. Or we can go to my surveys, which is on top of your browser. Click on my surveys and you have the same one, but this one is tutorial 2. And we can delete it. This can't be undone. Name, responsive, and also collectors, so you know exactly what you are giving up. And then hit the delete button. And the tutorial 2 is deleted. That's about it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great one and goodbye.